You know that feeling when your phone is confiscated and your conversations are interrupted? Well, now you no longer have to worry. Say hello to the novelty gadget Comulet. You can now talk to your friends via the new communication bracelet. The different colors match up to each other, allowing you to send and receive messages from chosen friends. Get yours now in sets of 2 to 6 and speak, see, send. Comulet.